Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis that goes from today the 4th of August and until the 11th of this, the 8th month of 2014. You're watching Bitcoin Wisdom providing data from Bitstamp. Price is 587 with 40A. This is the weekly chart. We've been very quiet in the last few weeks, and the reason why, nothing to be worried, just the fact that right now everybody is on holiday. Summertime is actually affecting the market in some way. And if some of you already experience Forex, ETFs or any other kind of markets, obviously these months, this particular time of the year is the time where institutional funds, institutional money and all these hedge funds basically take a break, and they close their positions, or they leave their positions with their people, and it's just basically they go on holiday. There's not much action, and so far we believe that this is what is happening with Bitcoin, and so far the volume is missing, and it's just because obviously summertime takes a lot of the big players away for a while. But hopefully at the end of this new month we might experience once again traction and volume from buyers and sellers. Why not? And we can see some action one more time. But so far price is very still, the balance everywhere, and so far the volume is the one that is missing at this point. But we see particular overextended trends, especially in these areas. As you can see, we've been having 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of retracement that is not overextended per movement, but definitely per candles, and we might experience once again a pullback from the price. Why not? Potential denials in intraday, and that's where we can actually take advantage of the situation, because counter trends with a market with volume missing, if you know how to play it, and if you have basically a trading plan for that particular time of the year, you can definitely gain some profit. So just keep an eye on it. This is the 3-day chart. After a previous retracement denying this previous consolidation, the price managed to reach this particular minor level, which is a minor support. The major support is here, but obviously this minor support created reaction. And why is that? Obviously intraday and the daily chart has right there the SMA 200, and players know how to play right now, placing orders on levels of reaction, which is something very important. The behavior of this particular currency is absolutely one to take into consideration if we know how the levels of reaction work. And this is the situation so far. This particular candle managed to basically deny the previous retracement at some point, push the price once again back up, and here we might have two options. Price can continue the retracement, push below 555 with 90. He will have enough room to push himself towards this area, and this is something that it might happen, it might not. But the other case scenario is with the buyers, and the buyer says that if the price managed to push himself back up above 607 with 20, we will back again to this previous consolidation, which is now the new resistance. And why not? Potential new consolidations can bring fluctuations between supports and resistance intraday. So 4-hour chart, which is 240 minutes, and 60-minute chart could be the charts that we can actually take advantage of it, finding 1, 2, maximum 3 targets, get in, get out, be safe. Something we might have to look into it. And last but not least, here it is, the daily chart. After a few days of retracement, basically a particular sell-off, the price managed to reach the SMA 200. Like I said before, point of reaction, price pushed himself up. 2 candles basically managed to deny 1 week of retracements, and here is the situation. Potential lower high failure, push the price back up. Otherwise we might see the continuation of this retracement with once again this particular lower high towards below 555 with 90, and there is room for the price towards lower areas. Keep an eye on it. Good opportunities will come along this week. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great week trading, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.